Hey guys, SubbyTV here. First of all, Merry Christmas, and second of all, today I'm basically showing a shiny Quilladin evolving, just like I did with Delphox. And if you're wondering how I got Quilladin, a really good friend of mine traded it for Delphox. So, yeah, without further ado, I'll show you it evolving. Should look pretty awesome. I don't actually know what this looks like shiny, so it's going to be just as much of a surprise to me as it is for you guys. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, that's cool. It kind of looks like it should be half ground type though, but that's really cool. And of course it's channeling Spiky Shield, which is an amazing move, so I get Pin Missile for it. That looks insanely cool. Okay, I'm just going to throw it out in a battle and I'll show you guys. Okay, here we go. That looks really cool. Oh well, thanks for watching guys, and Merry Christmas. I'll have more videos to come. Thanks for watching. See you next time.